everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make an Assetto Corsa server. Very easy to do, but it might seem complicated at first. The first thing you want to do is click on Library and then Tools, and then you'll get a whole list of stuff like this. Obviously what you need to do is find Assetto Corsa dedicated server, download it. I've already got it downloaded, but it will ask you to choose which files you want to put it into. In my case, I just chose my eDisk, Steam Library, Steam Apps Common. So you can see it's over here. What you need to do is all of this stuff, you need to copy it and then go into your Assetto Corsa folder and then create a new folder called server. I've already done that here. And then inside server you'll paste everything that I've just copied. Okay. Alright, so once you've copied that, all you need to do is open AC Server Manager. Right, so this is where you'll put your settings, so you know the name of your server and stuff like that. I've already got some presets from before, but what you need to really note down is here is the UDP port, TCP port, HTTP port. So these three ports, this is now we're going to need to go into our router settings and make sure these ports are allowed through on the router. But you need to click on Start CMD, open up Comparison Point, then you need to type in ipconfig. Now the address you need to note down is the default gateway, because that's going to be a root address. So simply what I'll do now is, so it's 192.168.11. okay, and then it'll ask for your router password. Now the password to your router and the username might be underneath on your router, so just check check underneath. If it isn't, then the username might be admin and the password might be admin, or the username might be admin and the password might be password with a capital P. I've set my own password, so I'm just going to log in. Now I need to go and find port forwarding. Okay, so yeah, I've logged in now. I've clicked on expert mode because my router has two different modes, and all you need to do on your router is find port mapping. So we've already got dynamic port mapping here, but yeah, static port mapping. So I'll click on plus, and then service. I'm just going to write AC1, and then again go back to. Okay, so the first one we'll do is UDP, which is 9600. UDP device, so select your device. I've got my PC, of course, that's where I'm going to make the server, so I'll select that. And then it will say port type. I'm just going to write port, public port, so 9600. I'm going to have to manually type it in, 9600, 9600. Click on save. Now we're going to do the next one. So next is the TCP port, so 9600. So again, AC2. It's TCP, Imran PC, public port 9600, 9600. Click on save. We're going to add the last one. So it says HTTP, and you'll see on my router there's no option for HTTP, but that's fine, we'll just use TCP. So 8081, so again same thing, call this AC3 and then TCP and then Imran PC, and then put the port number, so it's 8081, 8081, 8081. Click on save and then click on apply. Now that should all be done. So to test it, you know, put a track, set all your settings up, select a track, select a car, click on start server. So I'm going to click on that now and allow access. And if something's bugged, it'll come up with an error, but it seems like it's all good. So now you just need to go into Assetto Corsa game, search for your server, and join.